హైదరాబాద్ వేగన్ ఫెస్టివల్ జీవహింస లేకుండా తయారు చేసే తిండి పదార్థాలకి ఒక వేదికనిచ్చింది. అది ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కావచ్చు, కాఫీ కావచ్చు, బేకరీ ఐటెమ్‌లు కావచ్చు, మిల్లెట్‌తోటి చేసిన తిండి పదార్థాలు కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా అక్కడ మనకి లభ్యమయ్యాయి. అదేవిధంగా మనకి కాస్మోటిక్స్‌ని కూడా జీవహింస లేకుండా ఏ విధంగా తయారు చేయొచ్చు అన్నది ఇక్కడ తెలుసుకొని అందరూ ఆశ్చర్యపోయారు. ఇది హింస లేని ఒక అద్భుత ప్రపంచం. మానవ లోకానికి స్వాగతం. మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం.
In how many ways can you make coffee and really enjoy it? Particularly when you are a vegan and you don't want milk in your coffee, what are all the options? We have one option right here. Let us explore this. Welcome to Manav Loka. Namaste.
Namaskar.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hi, nice to meet you today. My name is Richa and I'm the founder of Oat Latte, which is an instant coffee premix brand, a vegan plant-based coffee premix. The base is organic oats powder and it's mixed with Arabica coffee, 100% Arabica coffee and a little bit of sugar. Just 3 ingredients, no preservatives, chemicals, oils or any stabilizers. Just 3 ingredients, just add hot water and the coffee is ready to go.
Okay. And how long this packet, what is the shelf life of this
The
packet?
shelf life is 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, because it has just dried oats, dried coffee, and a little bit of sugar. So nothing that goes bad fast. So it's very convenient. We sell it in single serve sachets. So it's good for people who are traveling, for vegans who are traveling. Because it has no dairy, it's a great product for lactose intolerant folks. Because a lot of studies have shown that over 60% of the adult population is lactose intolerant. Everybody loves their tea and coffee,
Yeah.
but milk is not easily digestible for the
For
adults.
someone.
So there's no dairy in it. It's dairy free. It has organic oats. Great product for them.
Where are you located? Where are you?
So, sir, we are based out of Gurgaon, but we ship across India from Mumbai, Bangalore, and Gurgaon.
Okay.
From our website, which is oatalatte.com.
And where do you procure your raw material?
So, right now, because my husband and I have been living in Malaysia for the last few years, that's where we started this product, and that's where the manufacturing is happening. We launched this product in India a few months back to see how the feedback is. The feedback has been excellent. Everybody loves the coffee because they say the taste is, they can't believe that there's no dairy in it. You've tasted it? I don't think you have. You should. So the feedback has been excellent, and we've traveled across cities. We've done events because we believe that everybody should be able to taste it.
Yeah.
It's only when they taste it that they know that there is a healthy, delicious dairy alternative available in the market.
Okay.
So we do events like these across cities. And the feedback has been excellent. So we will be moving the manufacturing to India and then, produce it out of India.
So it's a great initiative for coffee lovers, particularly vegan coffee lovers without dairy. And this product seems to be already creating waves in India. I wish you good luck and I wish you should shift your process of production into
Absolutely,
India.
we want to do that.
And of course, we have several coffee plantations.
There are
and,
coffees, some of the best coffees in India.
Yeah. So
absolutely.
I wish you benefit from Indian coffee too.
Thank you.
And supply to all vegan coffee lovers of India.
Thank you.
And also the world.
Thank you.
Thanks. Very much.
Thank you.
I just wanted to know this pack, how many grams it is and how many cups you can actually make.
So this is a 25-gram single serve sachet. It makes 150 to 200 ml coffee depending on how strong or light you like your coffee.
Okay.
Just add hot water, 110 to 120 ml water, and makes a big cup of coffee.
Okay.
We also have, so we sell it in a box of 5 sachets like this. That's how we retail it.
Okay, this
We
5
ship
packs
across
are
India. So 5 sachets like this in one box.
Okay.
This is usual price of $375, but we keep running discounts.
Okay.
We are available on our website. We ship across India. We also have big family bags for people who consume a lot of coffee or families who consume coffee.
Okay.
So that's a 2.5 or a 1 kg bag, which is lower price than this.
So how much does it cost?
So that would be 4,000 rupees.
4,000.
So, over 120 to 150 cups. So
Cups.
4,000.
So this is a new option for coffee lovers with this beautiful small as well as big packets. You will get it delivered at your home through the website. Thanks very much for sharing your.
Thank you, Mr. Ramchandra.